How to fix it's time to close Instagram problem. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. If you are seeing the it's time to close Instagram error on your iPhone, then it simply is because you might have enabled daily limit on your Instagram. Here, as you can see, Instagram shows me you have reached your daily limit. So in order to pause that, you can tap on the more options option you see there and choose if you want a reminder in 5 minutes, or if you want a reminder in 15 minutes, or if you simply want to ignore a limit for today. You can choose any one of these options, and with this your Instagram limit will be removed, and you can then go ahead and tap on your profile icon on the bottom right of your screen and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Here you will see the option for time management under the how you use Instagram tab. So tap on the time management option you see there and then tap on the daily limit option and simply go ahead and toggle off the toggle button or select the off radio button for daily limit. And with this, you will no longer receive the it's time to close Instagram problem. You can then go ahead and swipe up on your screen and then close Instagram along with all the apps running in the background, and then reopen Instagram, and you will no longer receive the it's time to close Instagram problem. So this was about how you can fix it's time to close Instagram problem. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.